All right, I have a 20 Ram 1500. This is the driver's side visor, and whenever I go to pull the visor down, you can see that this piece is broke. So instead of replacing the entire visor, which is going to cost hundreds of dollars in time, and you're going to have to rerun all your electronics, you're going to use a little kit here that's going to hold this in place, and it's a quick fix. So right here, there's this piece. I have a flathead screwdriver. You're just going to pop that down. There's going to be 2 screws right here that you're going to have to replace, one here and one there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece right here. It's going to get a little wonky. We're going to pull this out, take this piece, slide it over like so, and then I'm going to slide it up right here like so, just like that. So you should have this piece like here. We're going to insert this piece here where we remove those 2 screws. The windshield should be right here, and so this is going to be facing the seat. Now before screwing everything down, I went ahead and got everything started, put the screws in so it holds this in place. Now we're going to push everything up, screw it down. Okay, when you go to screw these down, if they don't cinch in all the way, push this flap forward and then screw them in, and they should sit flush there. There we have it. Everything's working good. Thanks for watching.